Hello friends, this is the third video on product costing. So in our first video we have created the materials, the raw materials, semi-finished materials and finished materials. In the second video we have created the bill of materials. So in this video we will create the necessary ledgers and we will convert those into primary cost elements which are necessary for our configuration. But before proceeding into the third video, I want to change some parameters here that we have created raw materials, semi-finished materials and finished materials, and these are our material type. BERR is our material type for raw material, where we have created a single valuation class and we have linked with all the materials, but we need to have a separate valuation classes for each and every raw material. So what I've done is we need to change this valuation class and we will create separate valuation class for each of the raw materials and also for each of the semi-finished materials. So I'm going to do this. So what I'm going to change now is this valuation class that is belongs to the raw material. I'm going to change this into like this. Okay, I'll show you like this. 10001, 2, 3 and 4, and this is for our ink. 1002 for our plastic, polystyrene plastic, and this for our coloring material, and 1004 for our PVC plastic. And similarly for refill we will have the valuation classes 2000, and for cap and body we will have the valuation classes 2001. So first I am going to create these valuation classes in our corresponding material type, and then I'm going to change this in our material master, and then we'll go on with the creation of primary cost elements and the cost centers, the master records that are necessary for our product costing. So first let me go on with creating the valuation classes first. Not here, it is in materials management, in the valuation and account assignment. So here just go to the valuation classes. So here into the valuation class, so let me go for new entry. So we need the valuation classes. Okay, this 1002, and we are creating these for our raw materials. So the account reference category for our raw materials are the BERR, which we have created in the first video, and similarly for the valuation class for the semi-finished goods. BHAL. So here you can see here I've defined these four valuation classes with our account reference category for, and this is the account reference category for our raw material, and this is the account reference category for our semi-finished goods. And I have created the two valuation classes here. Just click on enter, click on save. You can see here we can make the description or just leave it blank. So now I just go to the material master, the MM02. So we will update first for the raw material 2123, which is the ink. 21, 2, 3. Just go for the accounting one view where I need to change the valuation class. Accounting one view. So let me change. This is 1001. Click on enter. You are about to exit. Okay, I will save this. We have changed the valuation class. So similarly, I will change for all other raw materials also. I will just do it. So the changes have been saved with the material ink. Now I'm going to do for polystyrene plastic. The accounting one view. Enter into the material and the next valuation class. We'll save this. And similarly for the next raw material. And here the coloring material, the valuation class is 1003. Save it. The last one in the raw material. This 1004. Save it. And we will go for semi-finished material 1786. 1786. Similarly, the same accounting view. And you can see here the price control is yes, that is standard price is selected. And we will change the refill. For the refill, the valuation class is 2000. Okay, just enter the valuation class and save this. Similarly for the other raw material, the other semi-finished material. Cap and body, that is 22001. Just save it. Okay, I've changed the valuation classes. Now we'll create the primary cost element, but before that we will create the ledgers for the consumption of raw materials and semi-finished goods, consumption accounts for raw material and semi-finished goods, and the production overhead and the admin overhead. And we will link this primary cost element with the cost center C1, and we are going to create these three cost centers where the production overheads will be maintained with the cost center C2 and the admin overhead will be maintained with the cost center C3. So first we will go on with the consumption of raw materials and semi-finished ledgers. That is, we are going to now create 6 ledgers for the category for this category. There is consumption of ink, polystyrene plastics, and all the raw materials, and also for semi-finished materials. So I just enter into the first 00 into the expense. We will create multiple ledgers. So let me create some ledgers first. The next available ledger is belongs to the expense. in the field status group, we will go on with the material consumption. So that is nothing but a G003. That is the material consumption. Okay, I just save this. Okay, I have created this account. Similarly, I will copy this and I will create some other accounts also. This account is polystyrene plastic. Save it. Similarly, I will copy it and create some more for other raw materials. And this is for coloring material. Save it. Again, copy it. And similarly for our semi-finished goods, consumption for semi-finished material that are refill and cap and body. Save it. Last one. We have created the ledgers, and now we will go on with the cost element creation. First, we will start with the ink. Click on edit cost element. We go on with the first date of this year. Click on enter, and the cost element category is this the consumption account, so it is expense. So I just go on for the first one, and for the default account assignment, you need to create the cost center. So just create a new session. I will leave this screen as it is. We will create a new cost center. This three cost centers, and now what are all the accounts we have created now will be linked with the cost center C1. So I will create a cost center first C1. Click on enter. The validity date. This is the first date of this month. Cost center for material overhead. And, the cost center category. Let me select a common one for everyone. Okay, the one that is a production, hierarchy area, business area, currency, and the profit center. I will unlock the control. The control I will just unlock it. Just click on save. We have created the cost center C1. In the similar way, I will create two more cost centers. And this is for production overhead. So I've created three cost centers and I will link it here. First one, ready for this also. Save it and, for all the raw materials and finished material. And also for semi-finished goods. And we will create some more for this, that is the production overhead and admin overhead. Let me create some more couple of ledgers here. This is not the conception. This is production cost. Let me save production overhead and this will be costs, not cost accounts. Save it. In the edit cost element, we will link the cost center 2 here. Similarly, the next electricity charges. Okay, let me save it. And these two accounts will be accounted for production overhead. That is for this. Now we'll go on with the admin costs. Sorry, not this. Copy it. So here I will make it as admin costs. And the cost center is cost center 3. So in this video we have created all the necessary ledgers and we have converted the ledgers into the primary cost element and we have linked the respective cost centers into the primary cost elements. So we'll continue with the next video where we can continue with the activity types and the secondary cost element that are required for product costing. So thanks for watching. Keep on move on with the we will move on with the fourth video. Thank you.